Laro digital chung kwate chibai vekole chonghun chunge kania chanchin thar ilawai thang Voin Khan Sokar Lai Puya Ministry of Rural Development Secretary Punagendra Sinha Chuan India Ram State Parukat Startup Village Entrepreneurship Program Noaya CRPEP Training Swak Te Kom na hun le certificate lan na hun aman pui Hehuna certificate dong te zinga hian Serchhip District SVEP Noaya CRPEP mi somle pali antela Mizoram Baka Rajasthan West Bengal Bihar Gujarat le Madhya Pradesh CRPEP training chuak te chu MORD secretary chuan video conferencing mangin kom na hun anaya harsat na anto dan tele an ma chopte achoi puyani Heguna hian PH Lal Chandami CEO Mizoram State Rural Livelihood Mission chuan Mizoram team hi hovin SVEP Mizoram report te pe a SVEP Serchhip District Noaya CRPEP te hian thingtlang sumdon na nei mi zanhi somli le panga puimekin loan po CEF loan noi somli le pariat le bank loan noi sari pek chhuato ani a hehuni Serchhip atang po in pumal som tluanga MCS Project Director DRDA Serchhip le Pu Stephen Almun APO Serchhip te chuan NIC video conferencing hall atangin anlo zom ve a CRPEP te graduation certificate lan na nei ngal ani bok Voin Khan DC meeting room a special summary revision of electoral roll sangni somnile pakhat draft roll tarchwa ani a draft electoral roll tarchwa hian Serchhip district ka vote nei mi pa singni sanga zaruk somrat le pathum le meichia singni sangruk zaruk somruk le paruk awain vote nei thei singa sangni zathum somli le pakwa an omani Hehuna hian pulal mon sang ral te additional DC chuan draft electoral roll hi tlang zarin January ni khat sangni somni le panni a kumsom le pariat lingchin tela a electoral roll siam thatna thotura hian draft electoral roll tar chu ani rual hian ming thun thar siam that pai ngai le omna mun sondu te tan dil na hun hon ngal ani thule November ni somthum sangni somni le pakhat thengin dil na hi thelu thei ani thu achaya heng dil na sang te official 10 December thachunga enfiale chinfel na thokin harsat na dang a omani lo chuan kumthar January ni somni a final electoral roll tar chu ani tur thu achaya Hundanga chuan draft electoral roll tar chu ani rual hian a copy hi Serchhip district chunga political party sang block shwai tu te hna pek chwa ngal thin ani lain kumina ero chuan shileng awanga in kokhom arem chan lo awangin Serchhip block a party ayo te hna draft electoral roll copy hi pe in khodanga mi te po election officer in alo pek don thu achoi bokani Heba ka hian polling station chen khat chu vote nei thei an tamawangin thensom ani ti po soyen tuikum assembly constituency a Chingchip 1 polling station chu pahnia thenin Chingchip a hian polling station panga a om to don thu achoya Shangturzo assembly constituency a Nodvanlai Phai 1 po polling station pahnia thenin Nodvanlai Phai a hian polling station pali a om to don ani Heng polling station siam thara hian BLO tur porwat ngal anni ti asoya hengba ka hian Thenzol 10 polling station chu government la lengvunga high school a le Serchhip 4 polling station chu konpui visi hola chon ani thu achei bokani Draft electoral tar chwata ka alandanin Serchhip district ka hian assembly constituency pathum omin polling station somria de panga a oma general a vote nei mi pa singni sanga jani le somsari le meichia singni sangruk zaruk somruk le pathum awain vote nei singa sangkha jakwa somthum le pathum an oma service voters mi pa jali som pathum le meichia pathum awain zali le som paruk an oma heti hian Serchhip district ka vote nei thei hi mi pa singni sanga zaruk somria le pathum le meichia singni sangruk zaruk somruk le paruk an wain singa changni zathum somni le pakwa an omme kani Voina draft electoral roll tar chwa ani rual hian systematic voters education and electoral participation malak na nuaya vote thak poimo zia thu in phwa siak na loman po sem ngalani a hein ti siak na a hian mi za somni le pariat 10 an slogan phwa thelutin silalrin chana pini veng chu pakhat na ni in lomana cheng sing khat le certificate adonga panina ti biak cham liana AOC veng chuan cheng sangruk le certificate dongin pathumna le lian tluanga new Serchhip veng lai chuan cheng sangli le certificate adong boka henglo mante hi additional DC hian hlana ni Karkalta Indrin ni Khan Serchhip Borsable district magistrate ni Bokpu Kumar Abhishek IAS Swan Serchhip district ka thakhat chung atana mantur le inkai shwaina le district headquarters chunga zandar kwa atanga jing lamdar li theng pon chwa khapna ati chwa District Magistrate in Khapna Thupek Achwa Hian Zandaruk Atanga Jing Lamdarli in Kara Ponswa Khap ani a mipuite COVID-19 laka anhim na tura Thupek Hitswa ani Thu Tarlan ni Bokin he Thupek Hian Magistrate de Police Duty te District Level Task Force on COVID-19 member te Army BSF Assam Rifle le Paramilitary Force Duty te Hospital at Hokte Baka PWD PHE Department PNE Fire and Emergency Service Excise and Narcotics Department le Jaila Thok Duty ne te Print le Electronic Media lama thokte VLTF Medical Emergency le damlo na thille chato thila veng danga kalngai an VLTF te le kha keng Essential Commodity Phur tu de Baka District Magistrate Additional District Magistrate Subdivisional Officer 10 Abi ka phalna anpek te ahwam lovanga zanlama chwa phallo thupe khian thule omma chu chwa ani atanga thlani chung awamanga thupek zomno chu IPC section za somra de pariatna mangin chemthei anni ang Serchi Borsable District Disaster Management Authority Chairman ni Bokhian Indrini ve kha November thachunga tana COVID-19 laka mipui anhim theina tura inka shwaina ati chuak boka inka shwaina hian Serchi District chunga class 10 ne class 12 board exam tur te chu School Education Department thu chuak angin CAB thataka zom chungin school le hostel hon phal ani a Shileng laka inven na tura School Education Department in SOP asyam angin school thunei tu te chawin uluk takin ro manna an siamang hengba ka Serchi District chunga zirna in sang te chu sokar order October ni somni le pakwa sang ni somni le pakhata ti chwa clause B2 in asoi angin DC le Health and Family Welfare Department, School Education, Higher and Technical Education, Social Welfare Department ho tu tele VLTF te in biak ron na nu a zirna in honrem ti tlan ani chuan hon thei anianga hemiatan hian Deputy Commissioner in order shan pa achwang he order chwa ma a zirna in hon mek te chu angai angin kalchun zom tur ani ang Sakobiakin ne in khom chungchanga CAB khautaka zom chungin chune jana biakina lengza chanve aya tamlovin kaushan in khom pa ngai nei phal ani a jingne tlai tongtra in khom po phal ani boka kaushan in khom pui chun lama nei phal ani boka in khom pui nei tur te zom tur in kai shwaina engemo za chiam ani boka in khom na te hian zai phal alani lo thungani in nei inkhom le mithi vuina a amuna lengza chanve emomi somnga emo aye tamlo tel phal ani a ele in sem phal ani lo thungani picnic spot te chu CAB uluk taka zom chungin hon phal ani a amai ro chu tum khata mi somnga aye tampun khom phal ani lo thungani sports practice sungchanga indoor mi somni aye tamlo le outdoor mi somnga aye tamlo practice phal ani a sports practice na a hian COVID-19 symptoms nei te tello turati anni a Sport Association try to chauten phalzat bak aye tam mipui an pung khom loti ville en fiatura ti anni bok sports in el na chu en tu mipui omlova nei phal ani a even nei na mun za chanve emo mi somnga emo aye tamlo tum khata pun khom phal ani mipui pun khom na anniversary birthday le adang te chu pun khom na turveng VLTF te hrem ti na nei tan phalani a pun khom na mun za chanve emo mi somnga aye tamlo tum khata pun khom phalani dor engpo hon phal to ni in restaurant te po amuna lengza chanve chin phal sak anni bok Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav malak na kalpui me ka ramchung mundang terwalin Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangatan NYKS Serchip te poin district chung munchang shanga faina be pui anthak Hemalak na lozom ve tur hian Serchip NYKS chuan district chunga khozongjong te chu an theanga ma lo la ve tura ngen na an pek vek baka an mani ngei kalchwakin munpoi mo thlanbik engemuzata faina na tlang an neya chung mun te chu kol ritlang bongchom Serchip paragliding munpui Serchip district park Vantong kho thla tuiri hiaw chalkhan peng chuam chalkhan dumping area chom kaile school chen khata te Vantlang park le health center thlanbika te anni a Kolitang his Serchip Heritage Society tene na tongdwalin anthianani hunrei tak ata to a tuikhur hlun thanswa heng fisheries tuikhur sailiam veti tuikhur dongzol lengkhur pui mualcheng khur pui vengthar tuikhur isungdar le ki kon tuikhur new Serchip te anni a heng faina be pui thla ka na anthona mun sangshanga hian Puam Lanjit Hazarika District Youth Officer NYK Serchip le athopui te NYK Volunteers te le Cleanliness Ambassador te antel chinani Azadi ka Amrit Mohat Safden Chana Rampum Hua Faina Bepui Thaki Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Sri Anurag Thakuran October ni khatsang ni somnile pakhat khan Prayak Racha ahong to a ramchung munchang shanga malak na nei zuini in Serchip NYKS point he malak na hi anthok chahle ani Serchip District Sports Complex sa Stadium Sakthar chu Komin August ni somthuma hon ani atanga thanni aral nu a po Sports and Youth Service Department in AN Koldan Mumal Alasiam lo awangin voin November ni khadatang hian Serchip District Sports Committee chuan AN Kol Chandon Indonesia nu SDSC office sa tuthar theder tu tenen anin kom ho na Serchip Sports Complex sa Stadium Sakthar August ni somthum sang ni somnile pakhata honna nei ani ruala UDNP Department in Sport and Youth Service Department kota anhlan chu tun thlenga SYS Department in AN Koldan turmu mal anlasiam theilo awangin voin November ni khat atang hian an kota anda donti Serchip District Sports Committee shwai tu te chuan ansoya SDSC Sports Complex sa Sports Stadium mang tureng reng chuan November ni khat sang ni somnile pakhat atang chuan Serchip District Sports Committee adil chinto tur ani antia Serchip District Sports Committee shwai tu te chuan Serchip Sports Complex su tun ma atanga tual chunga michanem ngai te bulchan ani angle helai mun enkol le hum haltu ani angin Serchip Sports Complex sa Stadium Sakthar po sakzo ani rualin SDSC kuta damai tura an ngai layen Stadium Sakna enkol tu UDNP Department chuan SNYS Department puta an lanta deiti an soya Stadium enkol zui dan tur chungchanga hian Sports Minister Purabadro Moi Roy Teba ka SNYS Director le DSYO Serchip te po andor to thu le rotna te po anthlen to thu soin sokara tanga chan na an mu mai lo awang le hon ani atanga thanni aral nuwa po sokar Stadium enkol dan tur mu mal achiam theilo awangin anma ni kudzala enkol mai antum ta ti an soya Stadium mandan tu le manman te po anduang felvek to ti an soibok Hein kom ho na hian SDSC shwai tu te chuan Sports Complex sa Stadium Thatak sak ani chu lomom anti thu le infiami ten tangkai taka an man andu thu an seirualin amang tu ten dimdoi takin mang thin se andu thu an soya hemi ko nga hian thuthar theder tu te po thopuya somin thuthar la khom tu te po Stadium enkol zui dan tura thania an chiate antar lang bokani SDSC hian tlalui October ni somle pariat Khan Sports and Youth Service Department Director Nena Lekha Thonin Sports Complex area chunga Stadium Sakhi hon ani Rual Khan helai mun enkol tu Serchip District Sports Committee kuta omzui mai tura an ngai lain sokar kalphung pa ngai anga UDNP Department in SNYS Department kuta ahlan nu a SNYS Department chuan helai mun ma enkol tu le hum hal tu SDSC kuta a enkol na an hlan chhong mai tura an lo be sei lain he stadium hon ani atanga thakhat le chanve chet aral nu po a enkol dan mumal taksiam alani lo chupoi anti thu te Sports Complex Stadium chu mumal taka enkol thwai ani theina Serchip District Sports Committee kota enkol na le thunena petura ngen na an lo thlen to a SDSC le khahi Director SNYS Department chuan Under Secretary SNYS ne na October ni somnile pani khan thonin hemi chungchang Sports Minister Hawasoi Hautura meeting kauturin rotna athlena hemi chungchanga hian voin Khan Sports Minister Havin Sport Department Hautu te anthukhom ni in thudonani Delhi Chamek Professor Eflan Nunmoya MLA Vice Chairman Horticulture Development Board Swan Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar Moin Horticulture ti mason natura Mizoram mamote athen Professor Eflan Nunmoya Swan Union Agriculture Minister chu Mizoram Sarkar in Horticulture lama amalak na le machopte soipuya Mizoram dragon fruit tomato le ziklum thar chwa apun saumek thoshilin theile thlai thar konga malak belzel turin komin sarkar kumkal me kumsa nile somni pakhat atanga somni le paniatan MIDH fund release turte Dragon fruit sin na tur sumpek bel turte Horticulture Center of Excellence ti changtun na tur sumpe turte Mizorama theile thlai tharte da thatna cold storage mo warehouse le songbon na changtlung jok siam saktur te in angenani Union Agriculture Minister chuan Mizoram dragon fruit le tomato thar chwa pung chaumek chu lomom ati thu soin Horticulture lama Mizoram mamo Vice Chairman Horticulture Development Board in Athen te chu ti hlotlin sak atum thu le official te ne na anlo enjoy tur thu asoyani Professor Evelyn Nunmoya hian Dr. Anand K. Singh, Deputy Director General, ICAR Dr. B. K. Pandey, Assistant Director General te Kompokin, Horticulture Mizoram Matchopte Asoipuya, Dr. A. K. Singh po in Mizoram Dragon Fruit sin a lotling chaumek chu lomom ati thole Dragon Fruit he Delhi le khopui dangate mantozo kashal natur atam thu asoya. Vice Chairman HPD Som Angin, DDG Horticulture hian kumtopa Mizorama Lauzin atum thu asoyani. Mizoram State Chief Information Commissioner Thar Atan Pulanun Moy Chongo IAS retired so Voin Khan Chief Minister Puzoram Thangan Mizoram Assembly House Conference Hall rin omna thu tiam tirin alalut. Mizoram State Chief Information Commissioner Thar Pulanun Moy Chongo hi March ni khat sangka zakwa somrukle patni khan apianga kumsangka zakwa somrat le pasari Khan Indian Administrative Service azoma Gujarat kadreni in kumsang nile sompakwa Khan Intercadet Deputation in Mizoram Chief Secretary ada ani a October ni somnile pakwa sang ni somnile pakhat Khan Voluntary Retirement in Service si achwa sanani anupuinen fa pali ne yin tuna hian salta nga anchung kwa in ancheng me kani Cherchip khochini lo thirang Aku weather atonga landanin tukin cancer chi pajingdar nga le minute somni pathuma ni chwaka tailam darli le minute somthum pakwa atlani borwa kalumlai berin selcha juge somni le panga ani avulai berin som pathuma ni a mulokna tonga landanin nakto kyan jingdar nga le minute somni pathuma ni chwaka nga tailam darli le minute somthum pakwa atla ang borwa kalumlai berin selcha juge somni le paruk velani nga avulai berin som pathi ven ni tora mo ani Khati song ka chanchin thar kan ngai thlang the de chu ni e